back to our channel Code for Kids. All, how was your day? I hope you are enjoying your day. So, in this video, we are going to be learn about some basic things about Scratch. Okay. So, if you are very beginner to the Scratch, like you want to just start the Scratch, you can watch this video. Even if you are like intermediate level, then also you can watch it. So the very first thing, how to open the Scratch, we need to just go to the Google. We have to search for Scratch. You will get the first link itself, which is scratch.mit.edu. I'm going to provide you this link in the description box. Okay, you can check. So if you are a first time user, you can join the Scratch. If you will click on join, so these steps already I mentioned in one video. If you want, I'm going to provide you that link as well so that you can watch that video first. You can join the Scratch, and then once you will sign in, like try to put your user ID and password while doing the sign in. Okay. Then the next part, how to create a new project here. So we need to simple click on create button in order to create a new project. I mentioned everything in that video, like what is this, how to add the sprite, like the very basic thing. If you want, I'm going to provide you that link. So always, whenever you want to create a Scratch, okay, Scratch project, there are three things like you need to add some sprite, you need to add backdrop, and then you have to add the code. Suppose how to add the sprite. As you can see, this is choose a sprite button. You can add any sprite according to your choice. Suppose I added the first one. You can add the second one as well. You can add one more. So in this way, you can add some sprites. See? So we have these sprites. Suppose how to add the backdrop. This is a button. Choose a backdrop. You can select any backdrop. Backdrop is something like your background. After adding this sprite and backdrop, there is an option which is called as blocks. So for each block, we have a different meaning. Like if you will see the motion, we have a move, you can take a turn. Okay. We have a looks. Looks is something like if you want to say something or you want to switch the costume, you want to switch the backdrop, that you will get here. With the help of sound tab, you will get all the thing which is related to sound like that. If you will click on this add extension, there are extensions also. Like you can use the video sensing in your project. You can go with music, face sensing. This is a new thing which we have. We have a text to speech. We can translate something. Suppose I wanted to just use the translate. Okay. So it will translate the languages. For example, let me start with event. When flag is clicked, we want cat will say something. So just go to the loop. Cat will say hello world. And this hello we want to translate. Like suppose we want in Arabic. So if you will run, see this is Arabic. You can go with other languages also. So there are lots of languages as you can see. You can go with any language. Suppose Portuguese. If I will run, you will get hello like hola. So in this way, you can translate your language also. Suppose we want to move this cat. We can add the move 10 steps. See now cat is moving. Okay. Suppose what we want cat will move continuously. So for that, we need to go to the control. We can add the forever and then try to add this move 10 step. Now what will happen? Cat will move continuously. If you will take cat back here, so if you want cat will come back, you need to go to the motion. There is a called age. If we will get age, so cat will come back. But as you can see, we are getting ups and downs in the cat. So for that, we are going to be use the rotational style. Now see the cat is moving fine. Suppose while moving, we want to add some sound, so you can go to the sound, you can play the sound. So if let me share the sound as well. You are getting the sound. Even cat is moving and you are getting the sound as well. So in this way, you can apply your basic codes. Suppose I wanted to just drag and drop this code in the Abby. You know what will happen? Abby will also move. Suppose same code we wanted to apply here and here. That everyone will move. So in this way, you can create your basic things. So as you can see here, we added the sprite, we added the backdrops, even we started the code, we added this extension. We added when flag is click in the forever. We want to move 10 step. So in this way, you can start your small animations. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest updates. So thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.